Hello guys, this is Adi Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you another way of resetting YDM3168 door lock to factory setting. Stay with me. By the way, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button to watch more videos about smart devices. In order to reset YDM3168, I remove the battery cover, take out one of the batteries. We have 4 screws. Using a screwdriver, I open the inside panel. After all 4 screws are open, I take out the indoor panel from its place. On the main board, you can see the factory reset button. Let's call it button. In order to factory reset the door lock, you have to make a connection between these 2 items. While holding the connection, you must enter the battery, and after a while, taking out the connection. The door lock is reset. There may be an isolation layer here. You must remove it. To make connection between these 2 items, I use a piece of wire. I make the connection, then insert the battery.
Welcome to the Yale digital world.
Now I release the connection. Door is reset to its factory setting, and all previous data are cleared.